What's up, everybody? Today I have a review of this Wheats Prime Dot Burst Kendama that you can buy from Target. So let's get right into the video. Okay, onto the review part. As you can see, this is the ICEBERG model, and there's two other colors. There's a Flash and a Berry Breeze, which is a different type of color on the ball. On this one, you have this mint on top and white on the center and the red for the bottom part. And as you can see, there's like some dots, which is why it's called the dot burst. And then as you can see here, it's made from beechwood, and so is the tama. And the paint on this is actually like a silicone type of paint, if it's called that. And as you can see, it's pretty sticky, well, right out of the box, because I just got this. And as you can see here, you have a Sweets logo, which is pretty nice. And then right here you have this Kendama logo, I guess. And yeah, and onto the other stuff. As you can see, the bevel is pretty big, or at least that's what I think it is. And then for the cups, it's just normal stuff. And there's no QR code because this is a pretty old model, I think. And as you can see here, you have the ring where you can do tricks and stuff. And yeah, the string length is about 4 fingers long, which is pretty nice, I guess. And onto the packaging, you actually have this box which you can take out. So it comes out like this. Yeah, so, and refocus. As you can see here, you have this sweet sticker which comes in the color of the kendama. And then you also have these random stickers with some cool stuff on it. And right here you have some extra string. Okay, back to the kendama. The ken is pretty heavy, I guess. But then this is my first kendama, so I can't really compare to anything. The other one I have was a mini one, but it was very small, so can't really compare it. And as you can see here, the spike is pretty sharp, as you can see, but it's brand new. So I'll do a update in 2 weeks when I actually learn some stuff. But as you can see, this is a pretty good kendama right out of the box, and the paint is very nice. Whoops. What's up, everybody? It's been about 2 weeks after I bought this Sweets Kendama Prime Dot Burst that you can buy from Target. So it's time for the review of it. I said it was going to be 2 weeks, but it's going to be like the exact same thing, so it doesn't really matter. Okay, so first I'm going to review the Ken. It's made out of beechwood, but then as you can see, if I can show that. Whoops, I'm looking into the camera right now, but okay, as you can see, the Ken is pretty slippery for some reason. I don't know if it's because of the manufacturing process or it's just because of the wood itself, but yeah, that's a problem right there. And then also, cups, they kind of wore down pretty easily. As you can see, it's kind of rounded now. If you go back to like the starting of the video, it was very crisp and neat and pretty nice looking. Also, the spike, it kind of wore down a little bit, but I already super glued it, so, but that's not too big of a deal because I'm just starting. So yeah. Okay, onto the string hole. As you can see, there's a hole on either side, so if you're a left-handed player, you can just, switch the string to the other side and it'll be alright. So yeah, onto the base cup. It's actually kind of small. As you can see, for base cup tricks, it's kind of hard, and also when you're trying to do some lighthouses, like, it kind of slips around, and we'll get to the paint later. So yeah, onto the string. Actually, the string kind of fluffed up a little bit, if you can see. I don't know if it shows on camera, but it does do that. So yeah, and here we have the Sweets logo, and onto some stall tricks, even though I don't know how to do it yet. As you can see, for birds, it goes on pretty well, so that's something that you might want to know. And then maybe for right here, maybe, as you can see. And then yeah, and you can also do something like this, and handle saw. Oh yeah, and I just felt this, but I'm pretty sure there's a chip on this big cup right here, so that's kind of an issue. Okay, onto the Tama. As you can see, the paint kind of wore down, as you can see actually. Look at that. It got like dents and everything, and as you can see, there's like some parts where the paint kind of chips off a little bit. So yeah, and the top's pretty new, because I don't know why, but yeah. And time to review the tracking part. This red really pops out, so that's pretty good. But then what I don't like about it is that it should be like the darkest color should be on the more close to the bevel, so that you actually know where to spike it, or do some stuff. And then if it was switched around, I sometimes, like, when I tracked it down, I would hit it like here or here or here or something like that, because I thought like this whole thing was the bevel for a second, and then that just messes everything up. And I wish there was like a red on the top right here, so for more people learning, you can just be like, yeah, that part is the very top, so the bevel's gonna be at the bottom. So yeah, the bevel actually, like, it goes in, but then right away it just stops going in, and then there's like a cylinder part of it where, like, you just, okay, let me just do a demonstration real quick. When I was doing airplane, it just sticks on like this or like that or like that, and then it just takes forever to go in, and sometimes it even falls out. Even for spikes, like, if I can show this properly, and as you can see, that might happen. It might happen, but every kendama is different. Overall, I'll give this a 9.5 out of 10, just because you can get it from Target, and it's only $15. Like, you can buy like not too much stuff nowadays. So yeah, and not only that, it comes with extra string, some stickers, some other stuff, and some other good stuff. So yeah, and it actually functions pretty well. Like, at first when I heard about it, it was from Target. Like, I didn't know about the brand or anything, so I thought it was like a pretty bad kendama. So I just wanted to buy something online that will last me longer. But then this is actually pretty good deal for a starting kendama, or realistically for everyone. Okay, so thanks for watching. As you know, I have a subscriber giveaway at 100 subscribers, so stay tuned for that, and I'll be giving away probably a Rubik's Cube or something when I can, because we're all on quarantine right now. So yeah, and I'll see you in the next video.